Ano man ang mangyari. It's cold today. It's really cold today. I had to use my jackets and gloves. Yes, yes, yes. Ano man ang mangyari, di kita iiwan. Ipaglalaban ko hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love it cold sometimes because it's free, easy. Let's go to sleep. Thank you for loving me. Do 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 do. Ano man ang mangyari, di kita iiwan. Ipaglalaban ko hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Ang ating pag-ibig, giliw ko. Hey, how you guys doing? Florida is icy wind today. January what? 22. January 22 is Florida cold weather. Weather. All right. Bye.